Okay, good morning, everybody. Glad to have you. We're on the callouts section of our day. First and foremost, what we do, in case you are new, is we go through all of the callouts from the previous day to see if they were accurate or not accurate. Most of the time we are spot on, but every once in a while we miss it, and that's just part of the game. After we go through the previous day's callouts, I will give you exactly what to look for today. I'll give you the price point, I'll give you the movement, I'll give you my prediction, and it's just that it's a prediction, but I'll show you guys how to basically never miss one of these callouts. So we're gonna start with gold, and how this works, guys, is the tip of the red arrow is where the call started yesterday. So yesterday, what we said would happen is if we broke 26.79, we were gonna go short. You'll never guess what happened. We broke a couple of retests, but here's the break. We went short. Guys, this is 1.1% ROI. 200, almost 300 ticks. Now we did have some rejection. You guys could have done significantly more than that depending on how you traded, but I would rather kind of undershoot this than over. So you could have said, hey, we got one here. We've got a bounce here. We had another break. Like, you guys could have done significantly more trades, but we'll go with the 300 ticks just to play it safe. So that was gold yesterday. Very, very profitable. Honestly, it was one and done if you guys just wanted to trade that way, which is how I prefer. Yesterday, I had one trade and I was done. About 25 minutes, we were good to go. NASDAQ was a little bit interesting. So on these indices, as they're hitting all-time high after all-time high after all-time high, we will never, ever, ever play the game of how high will it go. I don't want you guys to ever play that game. So we did not have a play yesterday. We might not have a play today unless we get a pullback. So there was zero trade, at least on our end, for NASDAQ yesterday. Oil, just the opposite though. We had some great movement. This is very similar to gold. If you look at gold, very similar. So we had a rejection trade, 2 points of rejection, and then we went all the way down. So we were looking at about this, and it happened multiple times. Last one being last night. So guys, we were looking at 0.7%. We were looking at 0.69%. We were looking at 1.7%. All of these were based on this level yesterday, rejecting off of 70.52. And then ES, I owe you guys an apology. I trade the symbol, and on TradingView, I am only allowed to have it on here once. So somehow our drawings from yesterday got removed. I have put them back on as I am anticipating this is probably what I had. So let's just go with that. If I was off, if I'm wrong, let's just take it as with a grain of salt. Our big move was a rejection here. This one's still going, guys. This is 158 ticks. It's 0.64%. So pretty solid just rejection of this point. I know we would have called it out because of all of these different points of rejection, all the way across. Boom, boom, boom. There's one right here. There's one right here. If we continue back, you guys will see about 14 other ones. So I'm pretty sure we had that one on our docket. So let's transition into today.